Welcome, today I'm showing you how to activate Hey Google option into a Realme C25s. Firstly, open your Google application. Then in the top right corner we got Google account icon, so click it and choose settings. Then go into voice and here voice match. And now click here on the switcher to activate Hey Google. Now need to give access to your assistant, click next, agree to voice match, yes I agree. And now Hey Google is ready to use and click continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.